Jabil is a global company. We are global leaders in manufacturing, engineering, supply chain. It's been created in 1966, and we are 140,000 employees worldwide in 25 countries and 100 locations. And we are serving about 400 very big customers, either in healthcare, where we are in Le Locle, but also in automotive, in cloud, in services, in all those type of activities. This is what Jabil is doing. Jabil, firstly, is present also in Le Locle, but we are 7 different locations in Switzerland. So we are 2,500 employees, where we are located in Eggendorf, in Ballstahl, in Bettlach, Grenchen, also in Ticino with Mezzovico, in Vadis with Raron, and then we have Le Locle. So in there we are, I would say, providing all the healthcare implant and instrument orthopedics product to our customer. Now we have 10,000 square meters of infrastructure. We are around 400 employees. We are really focusing into spine implants, where we are providing all the solutions, treat osteoarthritis, also scoliosis, and we do mainly polyaxial screws and systems for the spine treatment. What is really important for us is the capability of the region, working also with Microcity in Neuchâtel. We work also with the EPFL, but we are more global, working also with the ETH in Zurich and with HEARC in Neuchâtel, right, engineering schools. We are having very good contact with the economic promotion in the canton of Neuchâtel. You know, it's really proud for us to be in this region because it's more than 30 years, right? More than 30 years that we are providing our medical device products. And it's really great to be, I would say, in this region with such capabilities also that we have with the industry in the region, working also all together to find the proper solution to continue to drive innovation, which is always important. So at least Jabil is really happy, I would say, to be here in the region and in the canton of Neuchâtel.